Hey everyone, here I have a Dell micro form factor computer. This is the Dell Optiplex 7050. I got it from Dell refurbished, and with tax and shipping and everything, I paid $170 for it. It's a super small computer. It's running an i5 6600T, has 8 gigs of RAM, comes with a 128 gig SSD drive, and this is what the front looks like. It has a USB-C port, it has a USB 3.0 port, and maybe 3.1, I'm not sure. And then it has like a headphone jack in the front and a mic jack. And that's all that's really in the front. The back here, you can see that there's a network port. There's 4 USB ports. There's a display port, HDMI, then the power plug, which goes here. And I'm not sure what this one up here is actually. So there's another, wait, is that another? Yeah, it looks like there's maybe another display port on there. Yeah, so super tiny. Let's open it up. We want to see what's inside of it here. So let's loosen this. Take this off here, and then it should just slide off. All right, so this is what it looks like inside. So here we have the fan here. There's a spot here to put a drive. If you have a bigger drive, like an SSD, a full SSD, you can put that in here. And let's see if this comes off somehow here. There we go. And here we can see that this has like an NVMe drive here. So yeah, so you could put a secondary drive if you wanted to, which is nice. And let's see, what else can we look at here? Yeah, I'm assuming the memory is going to be under this piece here. Let's look and see. Oh, look how easily this comes off. So within seconds, I was able to open this up. All right, here we go. So here we have the 8 gigs that it came with. And then there's another port here. You can put another 8 if you wanted to. So yeah, so if you're looking for something super tiny, this is great. Like, it's really, really small. You can see my hands here, how big this is. Obviously, you can't run games or anything really heavy on this. This is more of you using it to browse online, maybe open up some Word docs, Office docs, some apps or some programs directly on the computer, and do some browsing of stuff. That's mainly what this is for here, I would say. It is an i5 6600T, which is a decent one for that. The one drawback that I noticed is that this chip is currently not supported with Windows 11. So I don't know if that's going to change or not, but that could be a limitation if you want to go to Windows 11. When you look at the compatibility, it says currently it's not supported. So maybe they're going to add that. That'd be nice if they did. But again, yeah, this is $170 for this little computer. So just wanted to show what it looked like inside. It's expandable. You can add more hard drive space. You can put more memory in here. So it's kind of nice. Okay. And this one was purchased directly from Dell refurbished. Often they have deals there. You kind of have to wait until they have some kind of coupon or deal, but sometimes they get really good deals on things. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this quick video on this computer here, the Optiplex 7050 micro form factor. Thanks a lot. Bye.